Welcome to 2025. A revolution is unfolding, not in boardrooms, but in living rooms and coffee shops everywhere. The old rules are gone. The gatekeepers? Gone too. Today, ordinary people are building million-dollar empires from their kitchen tables. The era of the home-based entrepreneur is here, and the barrier to entry has never been lower. The traditional path, school, job, corporate ladder, isn't the only way, or even the safest. Real security now lies in your creativity and your ability to connect online. Tools once reserved for big corporations are now in your hands. You don't need a degree, a team, or a big investor. Just Wi-Fi, an idea, and the courage to start. This is reality for millions right now. Your unique passions and experiences can become your greatest assets. The internet is a global marketplace for almost anything. People want to buy from those they know, like, and trust. And that can be you. What's holding you back? Fear? Uncertainty? Everyone starts there. The difference is, successful people don't let fear stop them. They take one small step, then another. The greatest risk isn't failing, it's never trying. The opportunity to build the life you want is right here, right now. Will you take it? Your living room is the new corner office. The revolution is waiting for you. The game changer? Artificial intelligence. Think of AI as your creative partner and business strategist working 24/7, no paycheck required. Tools like ChatGPT turn your ideas into professional content, fast. No experience? No problem. AI helps you brainstorm, write, and create videos in minutes. Video used to be expensive and complicated. Now you can make stunning content from your laptop. Most tools have free versions. Your starting cost is almost zero. You can test ideas, build an audience, and start earning without risking your savings. AI isn't here to replace you, it's here to empower you. It handles the tedious tasks so you can focus on your vision and your audience. AI generates the script, but you provide the soul. AI edits the video, but you tell the story. It's the ultimate partnership. Your creativity, amplified. Move faster, create more, reach bigger audiences. This is how ordinary people are building businesses at lightning speed. The tools are ready. The only thing missing is your idea. Turn it into income. The future is now. Meet Sarah from Ohio, a stay-at-home mom who dreamed of writing children's books with AI. She created illustrations and refined her stories, publishing over 30 books on Amazon KDP. Now she earns passive income every month, no publisher needed. Then there's David from Toronto, a tech enthusiast. He started a TikTok channel reviewing gadgets using AI tools to make his videos pop. Affiliate links in his bio turned viral videos into a six-figure income. And Maria from Florida, she's not a celebrity, just great at making authentic videos on her phone. Brands pay her hundreds, even thousands for simple product videos. She now earns a full-time income from home. These aren't rare stories. They're happening everywhere. Sarah, David, and Maria didn't have special connections. They used accessible tools to build something from nothing. You don't need to be an expert. Just find what you enjoy, what you're good at, and what people want. The platforms are there. The tools are ready. Ordinary people are making real profits. Why not you start today? What do these stories have in common? Regular people stopped waiting and started doing. In the digital world, speed is a superpower. You can launch a product, channel, or service in a weekend. No degree or investor required. The internet is the great equalizer. It rewards value, consistency, and authenticity. All you need is a simple plan and the courage to show up. The internet and AI tools are just waiting in your toolbox. The power comes when you decide to use them. Your results reflect your actions. The time for excuses is over. Today is the day. The opportunity to create a life of freedom and purpose is more real than ever. Don't let this moment pass you by. Don't look back in 5 years wishing you'd started. Be the person who starts now. Take that first small imperfect step. The world is waiting for your unique contribution. Everything is figure-outable. Go build your dream.